What up, guys? Long time no see. I have a couple welding projects that I've been thinking about lately, but then I started thinking about that before doing those welding projects I could make a working table or like a welding table. So now I remember that I can also record that. So I'm gonna film this little project of welding table or working table for now, because like a versatile, can do any kind of work, so I don't need to work on the floor all the time like here. So first I'm gonna cut some metal. So I made like a little plan here. It's gonna be 90 centimeters times 1.5 meter, and the height is gonna be 750, or actually 750, and then I'm planning to make a wheels, and then for now it's gonna be plywood and some concrete like a cement board on top of it. So it's gonna be about 80 to 85 high with the wheels. And probably I'm gonna change this to make two of this, so I can put the welding machine and stuff here. So yeah, let's cut the metals and then we're gonna weld it. This is what takes so long with my projects, because I don't have any proper tools to cut these metals, so I'm just do with the angle grinder. Takes a little bit time, but it's okay. Alright, here is everything. Next I'm gonna grind them a little bit for the welding, and then cut some 45 degrees on some of them, and then maybe I need to make some holes as well. So preparing them, and then in the end weld it together. Alright, day one done. There is all for now, maybe add a couple more pieces. Yeah, I spent maybe 2 to 3 hours, maybe 3, to make this, and next I will be drilling the holes maybe tomorrow. So yeah, let's see, drill the holes on the where I'm gonna attach the table, and the table will be just the plywood and that cement board, 6 millimeter, like this. Yep. See you. Okay, so here is the table legs. Looks to be pretty straight. I got 5 welds, then my fucking phone started doing some shit that it only films like 30 seconds and then cuts. So I think it's something about overheating. This is pretty shit. My phone now I remember again. And I run out of the wire, so we're done. Okay, this is where we are now. I added a couple more of these. To have a little more stability on the top, and one more of these here, so I can put some plate there later for stuff. This is for the welding. What is that? Put there always when I'm not welding. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna paint. I paint all the parts where I've been touched, so normally they get rusty so quickly. Like I welded these maybe 5-6 days ago or something, and it's already getting rusty, so I need to put some paint in there. But I don't want to paint the whole thing, because if I want to add something later, then I don't need to paint it for nothing. And also it's quite much work, so easier to just spray with this kind of thing. Bigger shield for rust and rust proof. Yep. Okay, there it is now. Put little board there for having stuff. Yeah, pretty good. I'm gonna try this to fit there. Alright. Yep, and if I wanna weld, I put cement board on top of it. That's it. If I do something else, then it's like this. Maybe add some more space down there for stuff. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.